Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update or install drivers on your HP OmniBook X. To update or install drivers, simply there are two methods of doing that. Let's see the first, the easier one first. It should solve most problems, and to do it, go to just Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. I don't have internet connection, so I'll just simply gain it and we'll see everything. Now it starts checking for updates and it will find probably if there are any, lots of them. So yeah, there may be lots of different updates here, and I just suggest updating all. They will start downloading, then installing, and later on some of them may prompt you to restart your device. I think it's better to wait until all of them get installed, then restart, so you don't have to restart multiple times. I'm not gonna wait until it finds all of them because it's gonna take a long time. But as I go to advanced options, I can now go to optional updates, and here will be some optional updates sometimes, and optional updates mean that they can be installed if you have a specific problem. What I mean by that is if, let's say, your camera is working but your touchpad isn't working, and in optional updates you have both the update for the camera and for the touchpad. If the camera is working, don't update it from optional updates, but if the touchpad's not working, try using optional updates to update it from here. But also, if everything's working, just you don't have to touch the optional updates. If you still have a specific problem with the updates, or you want to do whatever you need from the HP support website, let's go to HP support website, and this is the second method for installing drivers. Simply go to Microsoft Edge. I'm just gonna set it up. You can use any other browser as well, and you can simply type in support.hp.com. Now I'll switch the language once I go through all of these pop-ups. Okay, now just select computer. No, it can be software and drivers here, yes. Then laptop, and enter your product ID on the bottom of your laptop. There is a product ID. It's either marked as PN or prod ID, whatever there is. Just type that right in. It's, as I said, on the bottom of the laptop, either engraved or on a sticker. I'll just type that. You can also click on Let HP detect your product, but yeah, I'm fine with just typing in the product ID. Then select the OS version that you have, and you most probably have Windows 11. Or if you're watching it somewhere in the future, then maybe a different one. Then the version on the right, I typically suggest just selecting the one without version. And if it doesn't work, then you may want to try getting a one with a version, like version 24H2, 25H1, 25H2. Something like that. If you don't know which version you have, you can do it in the settings by simply going to those settings, system, scrolling all the way down to about, and then you'll find the version. You can see I have 24H2, but I'm just gonna select Windows 11 without the version. Click on submit, and now you can either select manually which drivers you want to get, like for your chipset, for diagnostics, or anything else. But you can also simply click on Detect My Software and Drivers, and it'll start running a HP Web Product Detection program. But most probably you don't have it if you haven't used it yet. So you should click on, if you aren't seeing any pop-ups, click here. Start download. And now it'll download the HP Support Solutions Framework. Open the file. Of course, this is all optional with automatic detection, but I think it's pretty useful to have this program for the future. So I'll just get that. Let's agree, let's install. It is really a quick process here, and I think it's worth it. Now I'm gonna finish, and you can see continue isn't grayed out anymore. Now I still don't see a pop-up for some reason, so let's try closing, reloading the page, and selecting the OS again, submitting, detecting software and drivers, and yes, there is a pop-up now. Let's open it and click on OK. Then it will start detecting the product automatically. And it may take a moment, so I'll just get back to you when it detects it. And you can see that it has actually detected, so I can either download it here or click on select all if there are multiple ones, or select the ones that you want to install. I'll just select it, then click on download selected files. You can download using a download and install assistant, or do it manually. I'll do it manually but for more files than just one, it's worth using the automatic assistant. Yeah, and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, and in the case of a driver without the assistant, it's pretty simple. With the assistant, it's basically the same thing, but you need to first open the assistant, then it'll start downloading all the drivers, and automatically will open the installation windows for the drivers. If you select them, if you download them singularly, then once you click on open file, just click on yes, and it'll open the same installation window that there will be using the automatic installation, but it just downloads one file in the automatic assistant. Now accept the license terms. You can change the location folder, click on next. Basically, driver installation processes may differ between devices, but you don't really have to worry about that because it's pretty similar everywhere. Then after everything is done, after it's installed and you're sure it won't open another window in like 15 seconds, then you can restart the laptop. Here you can see I also have like some system hardware update and some extension getting installed. I'll probably restart the laptop after the cumulative update is also installed. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.